Hello, everyone. My name is Diana Ray, and I am the Manager of Program Design and Effectiveness at the WSIB. It's great to be here with you today to introduce you to the board's new Health and Safety Excellence program. Now, I recognize there are limits to a pre-recorded webinar, and I would much prefer to be there with you in person. However, your provider will be able to respond to any questions that arise from listening to this webinar. I hope you find this webinar informative. And most of all, I hope that it helps you see all the great opportunities available to you in the new Health and Safety Excellence program. As many of you are aware, we are part of a system of occupational health and safety system partners. We, along with the Ministry of Labor, our Health and Safety Excellence program providers, the Health and Safety Associations, and the Office of the Employer Advisor, are there to support you. And this program helps integrate the work of all these partners to provide you with more streamlined services and information, as well as a roadmap to help you improve the health and safety of your workplace. Now a little bit more about the WSIB. So at the WSIB, first and foremost, we provide health and safety services to employers like yourself to help you create best practice health and safety programs, to avoid disruptions to your business, and to recover costs from investing in your employees' health and safety, and most of all, to create a strong culture of health and safety in your workplace. We also provide services to help workers come back to work after an injury, and we provide no-fault workers' compensation. Now I want to talk to you about how the new Health and Safety Excellence program can help you. First of all, the Excellence program will help you meet minimum requirements, but it will also help you go beyond that. And it'll support you in continuing to develop your health and safety program to address any injuries and illnesses your employees may still be experiencing. The program can even help you go beyond that to develop a health and safety management system to an internationally recognized standard of excellence. So whatever your goals are and wherever you find yourself, this program can help you go to that next step. The program can also help you reduce costs and time. Not only will it help you avoid those costs associated with injuries and illnesses, such as the cost to rehire, retrain, and accommodate injured workers, fines from the Ministry of Labor, and time spent on investigations. It will also help you reap rewards for investing in health and safety, such as an optimum premium rate. You will receive a rebate on your premium as well, and benefits from your business being recognized as an industry leader. And of course, increased employee morale and productivity. The Health and Safety Excellence program will also give you the right tools and knowledge. This includes support to select the best improvements for your workplace, resources to help you implement those health and safety improvements, and an opportunity to share best practices with other employers and get answers to your health and safety questions. Lastly, the new program will help you better engage your employees in health and safety to get them involved in making your workplace the healthiest and safest it can possibly be. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the program and how it works. But before we dive in, you may be wondering why we redesigned our current health and safety programs. As many of you know, we have 3 health and safety programs: a small business program, safety groups, and WorkWell. These programs have a lot of strengths, such as peer learning, a strong network of providers, and dedicated support for smaller businesses. However, they were standalone programs, and we wanted to offer you a roadmap for improving your workplace health and safety with one integrated program to create a seamless journey from awareness all the way to excellence. We saw an opportunity to offer you more flexibility in how you work through the program, more accessible service options, and we also saw an opportunity to create more awareness about the program. Now I'm going to tell you a bit about the program levels. In the current safety group program, there are 50 elements. However, in the Health and Safety Excellence program, there are 36 topics. These topics are organized in a maturity model from foundational topics to advanced topics. The topics are building blocks to the MOL accreditation standard and ISO 45001, an internationally recognized health and safety management system standard. The beauty of this model is that you don't need to start from the beginning. We've created an assessment to help you identify your starting point, the topics and levels that make the most sense for your workplace. So if you have a more advanced health and safety program, you could, for instance, start in level 3. But if you are at the beginning, maybe you're a new business, a small business, you might want to start in level 1, foundations. As you complete these topics, you will receive support and services from your provider to understand the requirements for each topic. And you will also receive financial support from the WSIB. Now let's talk about your journey through the program. Your journey has 4 key steps. Step number 1 is to join. Step number 2 is to develop. Step number 3 is to demonstrate. And step number 4 is to achieve. Step number 1, join. Your first step is to register with a WSIB provider, WSIB approved provider. So your provider will give you the information you need for you to register with them. Then they will provide you with a link to an online platform where you can complete the health and safety assessment. The assessment should take no longer than 20 minutes and will provide you with a set of recommended topics for you to work on. From that, you can select 1 to 5 health and safety topics for your action plan. Then your provider will finalize and approve your action plan with you. Now, one other thing about joining this program is that it's no longer a calendarized annual program. The program is now 12 months rolling program, so you can enter at any time. Develop, step 2. With the guidance of your provider, you are now able to complete the topics you have selected by making health and safety improvements in your workplace. Step 3, demonstrate. Once you've completed all the topics in your action plan, you have up to 12 months to submit evidence for WSIB validation. So you can submit your evidence early if you complete your topics early, or you could wait till the full 12 months after you have completed your action plan to submit the evidence. The WSIB validator will review the evidence and determine if you have completed the topics effectively. If there are any gaps identified, you will have 60 calendar days to address them and complete the topics. As such, you no longer will get a score of 60% or 40% or 80%. Our goal is to help you get to 100%, which is complete for each topic, by working with you to identify and address gaps. Step 4 is achieve. For every topic you complete, you will earn a rebate. You will also receive non-financial recognition. Now, you're probably wondering about the rebates. They're actually quite different from the ones you received in safety groups. Now, each rebate is awarded on an individual basis, meaning you are solely responsible for your rebate. Your group score, or how your group does, will not impact how the kind of rebate that you receive. You will receive a rebate for each topic that you implement, and that will be between 1.4 and 2% per topic. We've also implemented a floor and a cap. There's a minimum of $1,000 you can receive per completed topic, up to 75% of your premium, and a maximum you can receive of $50,000 per topic completed, which would be $250,000 if you did 5 topics. Now, how do you calculate your rebates? Well, first of all, it's good to know that the rebates have been aligned with the new premium rate setting model. And in the new premium rate setting model, there's something called predictability. Predictability is the degree to which your claims experience and insurable earnings impact your premium rates. So if your predictability is greater than 20%, you will receive 1.4% per topic implemented. If your predictability is less than 20%, meaning you have less than 20% ability to impact your premium rate based on your claims experience and insurable earnings, you will get 2% per topic. All of this information will be available to you in Compass. You'll be able to see your prior year premium, your predictability, and then based on the number of topics you implement, you'll be able to determine before you even begin the program what your rebate would look like. You would, again, look at your premium, and in this example, you'll see a premium of $96,435.39 times by the number, or times by the predictability you have. So in this example, it's less than 20%, so that's 2% per topic, multiplied by the number of topics that you complete, and in this example, that's 3, equaling a rebate of $5,786.12. I'll give you a couple more examples. The first example is a large employer. This large employer pays $585,000 in premium. Their predictability is 25%, so they're going to get 1.4% per topic. They complete 5 topics, so they receive a rebate of $41,000. In the next example, we have a small employer that has a premium of $13,000. This employer has a predictability of 13%, so they would receive a rebate of 2% per topic, and they complete 3 topics. Now that would normally get them $780. However, because of the floor, they would actually receive $3,000. In addition to the rebates, there's non-financial recognition as well. There's member recognition. You will actually get a digital badge on Compass when you register for the program to show your commitment to health and safety. At the end of the year, you'll get a certificate acknowledging your participation in the program. And then there's performance recognition. You will get a certificate and a digital badge for any topic and level that you complete. And this is something that can go on your website, can go on your business card, and it will go on Compass. So it's a great opportunity to promote to customers, job seekers, and investors that you are committed to health and safety. Now, one optional activity that you can complete as well is a culture survey. Many of you are very interested to know how this work that you're doing in health and safety might be impacting the culture of your workplace. So we've created a simple 12-question survey with the help of the Institute for Work and Health that can really help you get a snapshot of your employees' perception of health and safety in your workplace. You can complete the survey at the beginning of the program to set a baseline, then complete it again throughout the program to really determine any improvements in your workplace culture. I'm going to go over the benefits of the program one more time for you. First of all, it's the only financial incentive program offered by the WSIB. It's aligned with the new premium rate setting model. You will also receive dedicated support from your provider, and not just the group service that you've known in safety groups. There will be other services that can be offered, as we've provided more flexibility to providers to offer a number of services to employers based on the needs of employers. Some of you may only be able to access services online. And those services are going to help you understand the topics and implement them effectively in your workplace, prepare for validation, and be successful in validation. And the program will help you improve your workplace health and safety culture. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am excited to know that you're interested in this program, and we are here to support you in transitioning to it. Just a few next steps quickly. Today you have attended an information session. Your next step is to create an online profile. That link will be available in November. However, you can work with your provider to determine the appropriate time for you to begin the new program, given your commitment to the current safety group program for 2019. Then you would complete an assessment and develop an action plan. Thank you again, and once again, your provider is there to help you and answer any questions you may have.